Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. Now, you might be wondering why I'm sporting this is not financial advice, why I'm modelling it. It's not for the reason you think. It's not because they're listed up on the web, although they probably are.
They are.
Because I got attacked by a bottle of detergent.
Also, it's cold.
And it's cold and we're in the wet. This is Reuben's salubrious new, not showroom, what's the word I'm looking for?
Studio.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the word I'm looking for.
it's kind of required when we start unboxing things of this size.
So this is, as you will have seen from the blurb and the title, this is a pallet load of copper. So this seems to be the new thing that people are getting into.
It's going to be very divisive in the comment section. I already know it. There's going to be people saying, thank goodness it's finally arrived. I've been waiting for this for ages. And other people going, you what? I thought you guys did precious metals. What are you doing?
Yeah, look, I'm going to blame Adam for this one. I'm afraid I'm a little bit on the other side with the copper. I'm not convinced, but people love it, and people keep asking for us to bring it in. And while people are asking for us to bring it in, we'll keep bringing it in. But this is slightly different, and even some of the team here are saying, "Oh, wow, you've got those in finally." Actually, you've probably put it in the title, haven't you, Reuben?
Potentially, yeah.
So I could probably talk about the half ounce bars and the rough bars.
Well, yeah, the raw bars from Germania, the whole reason for their existence is because of this current copper craze, and I think Germania kind of went, we can't produce enough of the regular proper cast copper bars with the full stamp on them fast enough for how people want them. Let's make this this product a little bit more rough and ready. So we're going to check and see how rough and ready it is.
Alrighty.
You've got two different strap
I do.
colours there.
Just trying to work out who's who in the zoo.
All right, I'm seeing bars on that top one there, and I think something more round down below.
All right, let's start off with some raw bars because I want to have a look at them. And I've got to stop calling them rough bars.
It's already found its way into your...
into the vernacular?
Yeah.
Yes. I like their packaging.
Yeah, this is cool.
I did like their packaging. I'm not so sure now. I've just ripped this one. All right, we're going to have to work out a better way to open these boxes.
Still in a box. That's one of the questions on my head answered. Let's take a look.
Interesting box. They've gone for this stripy look on the box. As you can see there, 1 kilo or 1,000 grams copper bar, and called the raw bar. So let's have a look.
Ooh.
Now I should get a glove on, just so.
Yes, it probably will not have their plastic coating on it as the other ones do.
Don't want to upset the purists. Okay, alrighty. Actually, it does have a plastic coating on it.
It does still have it. All right, there you go.
So I'm going to put my eyeballs on for this one. Actually, I'm going to embarrass myself by saying I actually don't mind this. So it's more extruded bar look than I have a feeling. Actually, what we should do, Rubes, in this box here, I'm 90% sure, is some normal. Yeah, these are the normal copper cast bars.
Let's do the comparison.
So let's do a side by side.
Yeah, we also should have prepared a little bit more by looking at the premium differences that are going to be on these raw ones versus the.
Well, you could flash that up on the screen.
Yeah,
as we speak.
That's it. Through the power of editing.
That's what we always say. Always. What do you say to me? I'll fix it
in post.
Fix it in post.
That's it.
So we'll fix it in post. So you can see this is the good old one that we're used to.
Let's do it side by side.
Stunning bar. Really well produced. Not that this one's not well produced. Don't take that away from it. But the presentation on this is, it's properly stamped. It's, well, actually, they both have serial numbers on them. This just looks. This is almost a copper version of their kilo silver bar.
Yes.
It just looks. This looks good, but it's filling a different market. So this is a raw bar. And it looks very much, unlike this one, which is more got that cast look, this is more that extruded look. It's a big, long
Big
bar,
long piece that's kind of
big
just
long-
chopped
yeah,
into...
and they just,
Yeah.
every time a kilo comes out, they slice it off. This one has the stamp of the fine copper, 1,000 grams, whereas this one is, you're probably not old enough for a dot matrix, are you?
No.
But this is effectively dot matrixed onto the. It's actually done with needles. It's quite a clever way of doing it, but it's effectively the
I was
old.
picturing a laser. Might have been doing that, but also interesting 3.9s versus 4.9s difference as well.
No, I hadn't picked up on that.
That's going to light up some comments as
I'll
well.
pretty much guarantee if we ran it under the Red XRF, you'd get 4.9s.
Yeah.
But it's interesting that they've marked it as 3. And then over the page, you have the Germania Mint hologram on there, and this one's obviously raw because it's a raw bar. So look, I actually don't mind it. I didn't think I'd like it, but I actually don't mind it.
We have to insert our standard thing where every time we talk about copper of this is not the cheapest way to buy copper. If you are after copper, the comments will always be, Michael will always say, you're better off to go down to a local hardware store and pick up a bunch of copper pipes or something like that.
Absolutely.
And that will be a better way of doing it. This is specifically if you're chasing it in a kilo bar form, and that's it. The raw ones will have less premium than the other ones.
They will, and as we said, Reuben will flash it around somewhere or put it down below or somewhere, or a link to our website where you can look for yourself.
That's it.
So they are in stock as we speak. Now I'm making a complete mess of the place. We'll move this to the side because this is the other one that we want to see. Actually, if you have a look on the box, the books, I got to say, they actually
That's really well done.
yeah, I love the way they've done that. So that's pretty cool. But this one, as you can see if I spin it around, this one is actually half-ounce copper rounds in the Lady Germania.
Very
So
cool.
let's have a gander at these because these are cool.
Seen one of these on a video recently, Michael. We were taking a look on stream. One of these has been to space.
Oh, that's right.
They attached
Very
it to
cool.
a weather balloon in Poland and sent it up into space. But wow, look at the bags full of coins there. That's cool.
We could probably work it out. There's 2 bags, and there's
1,500. Who needs a monster box, Michael, when you can just
now
throw them all in together?
that is a statement. I would fully support that. I may even get one myself. I think that looks really cool.
Might need a tiny little just fake safe in the back of the studio setup that's just got those pouring out of it.
That is very cool. All right, I better open the bag.
Yep.
So don't tell Adsy that I've split open a bag because he'll have a heart attack.
Well, either that or we'll find out when they start spilling out everywhere.
Yeah, that's right. So we've got the copper version of Lady Germania. And you can see there, Germania 2026.
We had the Bullion silver versions of these through recently, as well as the numismatic ones.
And then I'm just trying to look. Oh, it does. You need good eyesight, but it actually says half-ounce CU 999 on that side there. I'm sure Reuben will, with the magic of his editability, he will fix all this up. And then half-mark Germania on the obverse there with the Germania symbol. These are actually... I'm actually surprised at how much I like these.
I was going to say, I'm surprised to hear so many positives coming out of your mouth, to be honest. Because that's it. We even, again, sorry to keep referencing the stream, but even talking on stream about how even, a few decades ago where silver was kind of considered in this same boat of, why would you ever stack silver? It's way too cheap. You're never going to become investment grade, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, but can you imagine doing a Scrooge McDuck with these? Like, that would just be cool. I like these. They are available while stocks last. I don't know if we'll bring more in.
I think it'll be entirely based about how fast these disappear.
I guess that's the point.
I suspect will be fairly fast, if I'm going to be honest. I know that they're, and to be honest, I'm not exactly on the copper train myself, but there is a lot of people emailing in, asking us, coming through the store, saying, please, when is this copper coming through? So I know that there's a lot of people hanging for this.
So we have a pallet load of copper showing up. Half ounce, 1 kilo raw, 1 kilo normal. I don't know. What do we call the new one? The older ones.
Yeah.
And I don't think If there's any other things in there, no, they're all half ounce.
We'll pop them in the description if there is any other varieties.
But they are in stock while stocks last.